Hi, I'm Marna and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel and I have a package. It's kind of a surprise to me, but let's open and see what AliExpress has sent. It's always fun to get packages. It's always like Christmas. Even if you order it for yourself, especially when you get like highly anticipated dolls or something you've been waiting for or something that you had to save up to buy, those are the most exciting to me. Or something from a friend, or a Happy Mail, just any of that is just, wow, this is really wrapped nice. Kudos to the sender. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Let's see what we got here. I don't know if I can pull this out or not. This is really wrapped nice. You know, sometimes I get boxes and they're just, oh my God, it's like they took them out the front door and drop kicked them. Oh my, okay. I don't want to tear this box open. Gift just for you.
She's been like a kid at Christmas all week.
The little, yeah, the doll show's coming. Lemo doll. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. And is she packaged nice? Give me just a second to cut her free. Darren's holding his breath. Oh, wait. It looks like ribbon, but I can't get to it. Let's see. I'm not going to pull that. I'm going to cut this. I don't want to tear up the box because, you know, I like to keep the boxes for dolls. Oh, gosh. Anticipation. Look at this doll. Oh, wow. I was unaware of these dolls. Oh my God. Look at this. She is packaged so well. I haven't gotten a doll packaged this well in a long time. She's packaged so well, I'm gonna have to put my glasses on. Oh my, I think that they put on a human head hairnet and then doubled it around. They really packaged this doll beautifully. Oh, thank you. Oh my goodness, look at this doll. Wow, look at these shoes and socks. Oh my God, that hair. Look at that outfit. She is adorable. It looks like her arms go up and down, her legs go up and down, and her head goes back and forth, and it pivots. Oh God, how cute is she? Look at that face. Can you get a close-up on that face and the little tiny buttons and this little outfit? Oh my God, this is cute. Look at these shoes and socks. Oh my, what a nice little doll. Wow, thank you to the sender. Wow, I cannot believe how well packed. I really appreciate a well-packed doll. She is gorgeous, cute, and pretty all at the same time. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.